let's talk about the 4 pillars of carnivore. That's right. To have success on the carnivore diet, there are 4 things that you cannot fail. Because if you fail just one of them, you fail your success on carnivore. You must succeed all of them to succeed on carnivore. You see, you must have protein, fat, water, and sodium coming onto your stomach from your meals. Protein means muscle meat or organs. Please make sure when you're eating meat, it's actually 100% meat and not just some jerky with a lot of fillers and preservatives and whatnot. Fat. It can be meat fat or it can be butter. For as long as you do 15 to 30% by volume of each meal, you will have enough fat to be in keto. This is around the same quantity as lions eat. If you do 80-20 patties or ground beef, you'll be within this range, as the 80 stands for the amount of muscle meat by volume and the 20 the amount of fat, so you'll be within this range. Now, when it comes to water, some people like reverse osmosis water, purified. As long as it's low fluoride and low chlorine, it's probably just fine. Some people prefer spring, some people prefer other sorts of water. You do what works for you. And sodium, we need sodium. If you eat nose to tail, you get enough sodium and you drink the blood, you'll be fine. If not, add 100% salt. Ruminant steak plus some salted butter and afterwards some water is all you need to sustain yourself, which will give you a way not only to survive but to thrive. You'll get far greater physical, emotional, and mental results by doing this than by doing any sort of varied diet. Some people get histamine intolerance when consuming a lot of meat. That's why I recommend that you get fresh ruminant meat. Why? Because fresh means less histamine. Some people even go for smaller ruminants like goats and sheep. If for practicality reasons you must eat big ruminants such as beef most of your days, just get a DAO enzyme supplement or any other form that allows to break down histamine in your body. There are plenty of forms out there, but you have to just choose something that works for you. The carnivore diet is the best diet for physical, emotional, and mental health. But if you get an histamine intolerance or any other form of intolerance within the things that you are eating, you will get your results, consequences that you do not desire. Your emotional health will go down slope if you get an histamine intolerance. Your physical health, your willingness to move will too, and your mental ability to clarify your thoughts will join that domino. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you know somebody can benefit from this, send them the link. And if you want to check more videos just like this, just check out my channel. And if those are not enough, hit that subscribe button because more will come. Thanks.